What if I told you that food is more than just fuel for your body? It's a way to nourish your mind, energize your body, and feed your soul. Welcome to the world of holistic nutrition. Holistic nutrition is about seeing the bigger picture. It's not just about counting calories or cutting out carbs. It's about choosing foods that make you feel good inside and out. Let's start with the body. Whole natural foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Think of it as giving your body a daily dose of love. But holistic nutrition doesn't stop there. It's also about how food affects your mind. Ever noticed how eating junk food makes you feel sluggish and unfocused? On the other hand, fresh, wholesome meals can boost your mood and sharpen your mind. And let's not forget the soul. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, appreciating where your food comes from, can be a deeply spiritual experience. It's about connecting with yourself and the world around you. Holistic nutrition is also about balance. It's not about being perfect or following strict rules. It's about listening to your body, enjoying your meals, and making choices that feel right for you. So, how can you start eating holistically? Begin by adding more whole foods to your plate. Drink plenty of water. Take time to enjoy your meals. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Remember, holistic nutrition is a journey, not a destination. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your mind, body, and soul. And the best part, you can start today. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a piece of fruit, take a deep breath, and take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining us on this journey to holistic health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little inspiration.